Hey guys, I'm editing the video that you're currently watching. So if you guys have any questions or comments, you can feel free to leave them in the comment section. Otherwise, please enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Believe it or not, it actually helps this channel a lot, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! This area is where the pets live. There's really pretty much not that much in here to show, except for we always have like little houses and scratchers and stuff going on. The reason the scratchers in here is because at some point Everett's little enclosure got damaged, like the roof won't go back onto it. So we had to put this little cactus in here so he doesn't tip out of it. But he's only in there if we're not home. And then, of course, the kitties have a window. They like to look out the window. And then, don't want to go into this closet too much. It is a bit of a disaster in there. But the cats have their own magical poop robot, which if you have multiple cats is pretty much essential. It's worth every penny. And then, this is our room. Felix was amazing and made the bed. But yeah, this is where we sleep. The cool thing about this is you guys, if you've been watching this channel for a while, probably saw us move into our house. And when we moved into the house, the movers actually did a pulley system and pulled the bed pieces up over the balcony and put them in here. And the bed is a queen size bed, which is pretty big. So the fact that they were able to get it safely in the house without damaging anything was really amazing. So we really appreciated that. And then we have only a few more places to show. This is where I edit videos. So when you guys see me studying and making shorts for that, or when I'm editing videos, this is where that happens. It has a slight echo, so if you've heard me doing voiceovers and you hear the echo sound, I think it's just because we don't have enough stuff in here. This is my husband's desk. I mean, this is pretty much how this is. Most of the house is slightly tidy for you guys, but yeah, my husband's, of course, showing you guys his One Piece stuff. But yeah, this is our closet. Another low-key intermission. Save electricity. There's Moxie, the hottest part of the house. And obviously she's the most long-haired pet. And she chooses to come up here. There's more climate control areas that she could go. So this is the balcony area. We've got our workout stuff up here. It kind of got tossed from the last storm that we've had. And then also my plants have been suffering since then. Yeah. My strawberry plant has pretty much been refusing to die since Korea, so I don't have the heart to dig it up. My tomatoes are trying. They're actually trying. Maybe they just need a little water. Can you hear it? I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. But that's cicada. Let's bring them back in the house because it's kind of hot. Come here. Let's go, guys. But yeah, that was our house tour, and hopefully you guys will subscribe. That would be fantastic, and stay tuned for more Japan content. Otherwise, we're gonna go back in the house so we stay cool. Bye!